Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Asana sync issue between browser tabs. Many users notice that changes in one tab don't appear in another, and it usually happens due to caching, browser glitches, or network delays. First, refresh both tabs. Sometimes a simple reload syncs tasks. Press Ctrl plus R or click the refresh button in the browser. Step 1, clear browser cache. Outdated cache may prevent live updates. Clear cookies and cached files for the Asana site. Step 2, check internet connection. Unstable or slow connections can delay syncing. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi or wired network if possible. Step 3, avoid multiple logged-in accounts. Being logged in with different accounts in different tabs may cause conflicts. Use a single account per browser session. Step 4, disable browser extensions. Some extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools may interfere with Asana. Try disabling them temporarily. Step 5, use a supported browser. Chrome, Firefox, or Edge work best. Outdated or unsupported browsers may not sync tasks properly. Step 6, log out and log back in. This refreshes session tokens. It often fixes sync issues between tabs. Finally, contact Asana support. If the issue persists, provide your workspace, browser version, and steps tried. Support can investigate deeper account or system issues. So yeah, fixing Asana sync issues between browser tabs is about refreshing tabs, clearing cache, checking internet, avoiding multiple accounts, disabling extensions, using a supported browser, logging out/in, and contacting support. Follow these steps and your tabs should sync properly. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment below if this helped.